The Milwaukee Bucks and its foundation really takes to heart the importance of a healthy, safe community. We want to continue to prioritize how do we increase access, both for physical as well as mental health programming and services in our community.
Our mission now is to inspire discovery in all young people and adults and the opportunity to be lifelong learners. We are a full-service community center. We serve young people as young as babies, as young as 6 weeks old in our early childhood education program. Then we go on to a school-age program and then the teen program as well. The Bucks was generous enough to actually identify a player, which is Pat Connaughton and his With Us Foundation, who came in, took a look at what our needs were at the time, and at that time it was to refurbish our gym.
The Bucks helped me find Neighborhood House in the first place, introduced me to Neighborhood House, and then they really helped in the efforts of refurbishing that court, as well as donating a scoreboard that really just kind of put icing on the cake to finish that project.
It's always a wow or oh my God kind of reaction. It means a lot that the Milwaukee Bucks Foundation cares about the community that they are in. I think it just strengthens the community to know that a major player sees them, hears them, understands them, and wants them to be successful.
Part of thinking about our mental and physical health of our community is prioritizing access to food and overall basic resources that are critical to live healthy days in our life. Partners like Feeding America Eastern Wisconsin have been incredibly supportive in helping our organization become connected and further help bring attention to the food insecurity issues that are going on in our community.
We serve food pantries, meal programs, and emergency shelters across the eastern side of Wisconsin. Together, what we're trying to do is make sure that the 400,000 people in need in eastern Wisconsin are cared for and that they have the resources they need at a time when they need it. In 2018, we started working very concerted with the Bucks organization and then ultimately with the foundation. By coming together, we were able to make sure that we could address the needs of the community creatively.
Something that's really hard to think about, just not having the basic necessities, basic needs met, and I think Feeding America does an amazing job.
I remember when Coach came to the organization for the first time to visit Feeding America Eastern Wisconsin, he didn't have a car with him. He got dropped off and he was going to walk back to his office when he was done, but he thought it was that important to meet.
These will go a long way with helping those who are still seeking food.
Every time I think of Milwaukee and our work in this area and I need something, I know that our Bucks leadership, our Bucks Foundation, is going to be a part of that in some way, and it's just been a great partnership.
Join me in supporting the Milwaukee Bucks Foundation as they support better access to physical and mental health programming across our community.